Let us simplify this. We have here into 7 plus 9 minus 32 divided by 4 multiplied by 2. Here, some persons will simplify it this way. They have 7 plus 9, that gives 16, minus 32 divided by 4 times 2. Then 16 minus 32, that gives minus 16 divided by 4 times 2. Then we have minus 16 divided by 4, that gives minus 4 multiplied by 2. Then minus 4 multiplied by 2, that gives minus 8. But this is wrong approach. Now to solve this correctly, we are going to have into 7 plus 9 minus 32 divided by 4 multiplied by 2. Here we are going to apply PEMDAS, or we apply BODMAS here. Now first, we are going to consider parentheses, then exponent, but exponent is not here. When we have multiplication and addition, this has the same order. Then as such, we are going to move here left to right, then addition and subtraction. And first, we are going to consider parentheses here. We have 7 plus 9, that gives 16, minus 32 divided by 4 multiplied by 2. Then again, the next step to consider is division here. Even though multiplication comes first, we are going to consider division because the operations move from left to right. Then as such, we are going to have 16 minus 32 divided by 4, that gives 8 multiplied by 2. Then here, we are going to consider multiplication now. When we have 16 minus 8 multiplied by 2, that gives 16. When we take subtraction and we have 16 minus 16, that gives 0. And this is the correct answer. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions.